It's easy to connect the ALL70T soundbar to ALL2 speakers for immersive 5.1 surround sound. On the remote control, press the Setup button until rear pairing appears on the display. Using the up and down arrows on the remote, select Yes on the display and press OK. Pairing will appear on the device. First, you need to set up the rear left speaker. On the ALL2, hold down the AUX and 6 buttons on the speaker until Net flashes. Then, hold down AUX again until numbers display on the device. Press Vol+ to set this up as the left speaker and the net flashes on and off. Press DISP until 0000 displays on the device and changes to good. Now, set up the rear right speaker. On the ALL2, hold down the AUX and 6 buttons on the speaker until net flashes. Then, hold down AUX again until numbers display on the device. Press Vol- to set this up as the right speaker and the net flashes on and off. Press DISP until 0000 displays on the device and changes to good. You have now set up immersive 5.1 surround sound, so you can enjoy all your favourite music, movies, TV shows and more wire-free.